So this is the first Gen 2 Prius pack I bought as is, literally no covers on, and I was told it wasn't working. Didn't come with the safety clip, and as I was measuring the cells, we thought we found rear measuring the cells. There's two or three cells that weren't measuring. I'm guessing they might have had some corrosion on them, but mainly was not having the clip in and properly seated. If but that's, I guess it's an issue, but I just noticed for some reason, I said, well, I better try. I'm working on batteries, and this is actually a charged pack. So now I have, maybe I have two good packs. So thing to look out for these is this little plug down there and get corroded, and then your battery management system little terminals can get corroded, and of course the tips and the bus bars as well. So just things to know about and remind myself in the future. And thanks to Monica for focusing on working on these.